What's going on, YouTube traders, investors? Today we're going to look at the top 10 most popular stocks on Robinhood under $15. But before we do that, in the description below there'll be a link for Robinhood. If you use that link to sign up, it's totally free. You get a free stock, I get a free stock, and it's all good. Let's get into the video. Okay, here we are, 100 most popular, but we're only going over 10. Number one on the list, you can already see, is Aurora. Aurora, I've been in and out of Aurora because of the cannabis play. I mean, we all know that cannabis is going to be here to stay. It's eventually going to be legal, all 50 states, federally legal, already legal in Canada. And Aurora is one of the biggest. I believe it's got the biggest market cap. With this little expand tab right here, it's gonna bring up, this is new because I haven't been on the web platform, but now you can add your moving averages in there. 200, 50, 20. And with these moving averages, you can see that Aurora is on its way up. It's taking a little dip right now, dip down below the 50 moving average, but if you're gonna get in Aurora, get in it for the long, and I don't think you can go wrong. Moving on. The next one on the list is GE. GE's been super popular with people on Robinhood for the simple fact that it's a cheaper stock, but it's been up there. It's been up there. We'll go into GE a little bit. I did own GE a while back. I think I got in it like last year, before it hit the bottom of like $6 and something. GE is a good company. They did pretty much wipe out their dividend. It's gone. It's like 1 penny per share. But GE is definitely restructuring, getting rid of debt. They're on their way up. Today is a little bit of a dip. I heard analysts talking the other day around the $16, $17 range. Get in GE and get in it for the long. We'll expand the tab. We'll go look at what the moving averages look like. You can see GE once was a monster at one point. Came down, hit the low, and right now it hit over the 200. It's coming back down. I believe it's going back up. Just my belief. Moving on. The next one is Ford. Ford, if you watch any of my videos, you know I'm invested in Ford. Ford is a motor company, automobile manufacturer. Been around forever, and I'm in Ford. As you can see right here, we'll look at my equity, my average cost. Then we're going to expand and look a little more deeper into Ford real quick. If you can see, Ford is above their 200-day moving average. They're above the 50. They're above all of them right now. Ford is on the way up because they put a plan in place to straighten out their business, and it's working. I like Ford. I'm in Ford. I'm gonna buy more. Moving on, the next one is gonna be CHRONOS Group. CHRONOS, I was actually looking at CHRONOS this morning. It's on a dip. It's on a dip, and we're gonna look a little more into CHRONOS. We're gonna go and expand it. The thing about CHRONOS Group is Altria, the cigarette maker, Marlboro, they've sank almost $2 billion into this particular company. And you can see CHRONOS is on a monster dip. It's getting close to the 200. I think if you're going to get in CHRONOS, you need to wait just a little bit just to see where it's going to go. See if it takes a bounce off that 200 and goes back up. But right now it's sitting at a good price. I think the price target on CHRONOS is $20 or above. So this is a pretty significant dip. If you can get in as close as you can to the bottom, I think you'll be good. Stay in it for the long though. And the next one is gonna be Fitbit. Fitbit actually beat on earnings a couple weeks ago. And Fitbit is into the wearables, which is, I mean, everybody's seems to be doing wearables now. I like them. I got one. I don't have a Fitbit. I got TicWatch Pro. It's pretty good. I like it because it uses Google. But let's go into Fitbit. Let's expand it and look and see what is going on. Fitbit is dipping. It's dipping. It's below its 200. And it's trending down. It's trending down right now. I don't advise getting into Fitbit. I would have to look into it more. I might do a closer look video on this where we get into the Thinkorswim platform and we can really get into it and see where it's gonna go. I don't advise Fitbit. Fitbit's popular on Robinhood because it's a $5 stock. Moving on. And we're at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That was number 5. Number 6, GoPro. I don't even know if I really want to talk about GoPro. It's another one of those Robinhood stocks because it's $5 stock, $6 stock. But we're gonna look at it anyway. Let's go ahead and expand it for the year. And I mean, it just me glancing at this Robinhood chart, I can see it dipped. It hit the 200 and bounced up. Now you can make a play on it on the 50. See if the 50 holds as support. I wouldn't mess with it. Just my personal opinion. I'm not gonna invest in GoPro. I just don't know where the company is gonna go. And moving on. Let's see. That was number 6. Number 7. I said Snevin. Snap. Snap is. I've been in and out of Snap. Last year, I haven't messed with this year. From what I know, it's on a little bit of a run. We'll look at it. We're going to expand it and see. Over the past year, you know, it had that dip. And as you can see, it's above the 50. The 50 has crossed the 200, which is typically a good sign. But I just don't know if Snap's gonna make it. I mean, a lot of people use Snap, but I don't know. I know a lot of people use Snap. I don't personally use it. I might in the future, but I can't push this on nobody. I'm at to say no with Snap. Moving on. And number 8, HEXO. I remember HEXO when HEXO, before it IPO'd. I was watching it to see when it was going to IPO, and it came out, and I did get into HEXO. I made a little money on HEXO. We'll go ahead and expand it. HEXO is a cannabis play. The thing about HEXO is they've already partnered. They are partnered with Molson Coors, which is good. And if you look at the chart, I mean, like I said, they IPO'd this year, so, but constant growth. I think HEXO is going somewhere. If you get into HEXO, which I do, I would get into HEXO. I might get back into HEXO. I don't know. I like the fact that they're already partnered, and I like to look at this chart. This lets you know where cannabis is going. You know? And HEXO is more of a premium cannabis play. That's what they're gonna focus on, the premium cannabis products. Moving on. And number 9, Plug Power. I don't know a lot about Plug Power. We can look right here. Plug Power provides alternative energy technology It focuses on the design, development, commercialization, and manufacture of hydrogen and fuel cell systems, used primarily in the material handling and stationary power markets. Its fuel cell system solution is designed to replace lead acid batteries. Okay, it's a battery play. Let's expand it and look at it. It is on an uptrend. It just broke through the 50. I would watch it and see. Do your research on Plug Power. I don't really know that much about Plug Power. I don't invest in $2 stocks that often. But you can make money. You can make money. Moving on. And the last stock on the top 10 stocks under $15 on Robinhood is ZNGA. ZNGA. I've never invested in ZNGA. I did do some option plays with ZNGA. And ZNGA, from what I've seen lately, they're moving up. I mean, for what type of stock they are. They are in the gaming, mobile gaming, I believe. And you can see they've went pretty much straight up. I mean, I maybe I would take a small position in this and watch it from, but I would want to do more research on ZNGA. But I know they're into mobile gaming, stuff like that. And that's pretty much going to conclude this video. I mean, if you have the Robinhood platform, you can look at everything I just looked at. Like I said, do your due diligence, do your research on these stocks before you invest. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, hit that bell, and I will see you in the next video.